If you've been suffering with cervicogenic headaches and vertigo, today's video is for you. Hey, I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages in their health to live amazing, fantastic lives. Today we're going to talk about one of the types of vertigo that we've seen some outstanding success with for our patients. So vertigo can happen for a variety of different reasons. It typically winds up stemming from issues with integration into a part of your brainstem that controls balances. There are four main parts that wind up feeding into it. If you want to learn about those parts, check out this video I did going in depth on those four parts, how you can wind up understanding them better, and then the keys you need to take to wind up eliminating those problems. But cervicogenic vertigo or dizziness winds up stemming from changes that happen in your neck. So we're going to look at this top line here. These are changes that occur to the spine primarily due to degenerative reasons, but most of the degeneration gets started with an impact and a trauma somewhere in your life. Now that usually happens a long time ago and can start or happen as early as in youth sports or even before. It may be something that you don't even remember, but it sets you out of whack or off balance. As that imbalance winds up being left alone, your body has to fight against gravity in this new position to hold your head on your skull. And it can cause arthritic changes and postural deviations to occur that cause breakdown within the spine. As this persists, your body is no longer able to integrate the information in your brainstem. It gets stretched thin and can wind up causing you to get vertigo and dizziness. If you or someone you know has been going through this or may have, make sure you send this video to them so that they can understand it better and maybe find some answers to those solutions. If you've got questions, write them down below. I'm always checking our channel to understand better how to support you so we can create videos that you like. If you've got more questions directly for me, go ahead and ask them, and go ahead and give us a thumbs up and a heart. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your life.